Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. Welcome to Sufa Intellectual School. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. My name is Kishwar and I will teach you maths. I hope you will enjoy learning maths with me. Before we start our lecture, we have to recite dua. So repeat after me. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Rabbi shrah li sadri wa yassir li amri wahlul uqdatam min lisani yafqahu qawli. Rabbi zidni ilma, Rabbi zidni ilma, Rabbi zidni ilma. Rabbi yassir wa la tuassir wa tammim bil khair wa bika nasta'in ya fattahu ya fattahu ya fattah. Ameen. Grade 2, open your maths book. Today we are going to continue our first unit, whole numbers. And our today's topic is numerals. In this topic, we will discuss that what are numerals. A numeral is a symbol or name that stands for a number. For example, 5 and 68 and 12 are all numerals. How we write 5 and how we write 68 and how we write 12 in words are all numerals. So the number is an idea and the numeral is how we write it. For example, think of a number and then write it in figure and in words also. As you think of a number, that is an idea, and when you write it and how you write it, that's a numeral. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, मैं एक नंबर सोचती हूँ अपने दिमाग में एंड मैं उसको जब लिखूँगी, फॉर एग्जाम्पल मैंने नंबर 10 के बारे में सोचा, फिर जब मैं नंबर 10 को लिखूँगी तो कैसे मैं उसको फिगर में लिखूँगी? 1 0. दिस इज हाउ वी राइट नंबर 10, 1 0. And how we write number 10 in words? TEN 10. This is how we write number 10 in words. When we write number 10 in figure 1 0, that's a numeral, and when we write number 10 in words TEN 10, that's also numeral. So an idea is a number and the numeral is how we write it. For example, here we have numeral 153, and in this numeral we have 3 digits. 1 is a digit and 5 is a digit and 3 is a digit. Here we have 3-digit numerals. 3-digit numeral. Okay. For example, अगर आप 20 toys टॉय कार्स के बारे में सोचते हैं कि आपके पास 20 टॉय कार्स हों डिफरेंट डिफरेंट टाइप के, तो आप 20 को इन फिगर कैसे लिखेंगे? 20। और 20 को इन वर्ड्स कैसे लिखेंगे? TWENTY 20। लेकिन जब आपने अपने माइंड में 20 टॉय कार्स के बारे में सोचा कि मेरे पास 20 टॉय कार्स हों तो कितना अच्छा होगा, तो वो आपका आइडिया था। और जैसे ही आप 20 लिखते हैं इन फिगर्स 20, वो हम क्या कहते हैं? उसे न्यूमरल कहते हैं। एंड इन वर्ड्स जब हम 20 लिखते हैं TWENTY 20, तो उसे हम दैट्स ऑल्सो न्यूमरल। अ नंबर is an idea and the numeral is how we write it. Now let's watch a video to better understanding of number, numerals and digits.
Numbers, numerals and digits. Number. A number is word or symbol that represents an amount of people, things or units. Example: TWO2, FIVE 5, TEN 10. These are words. Here, a number is in the form of words. One more example: 1, 5, 10, 20. These are symbols that represents any number of things or people. So, the number is an concept or an idea. Numerals. A symbol or word that stands for a number is a numeral. Example: 5, 4, 949. These are symbols. One more example: ELEVEN 11, FOUR 4. These are words. Here, symbols and words represents numerals. So, the numeral is that how we write. Digit. A digit is a single symbol used to make numerals. For example, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. From 0 to 9, we have 10 digits. Now, by using single digits, we'll see the numerals. Digit 9 makes a numeral. 9 is a numeral of single digit. Here, single digit can be a numeral. Now, by using two digits, we'll see the numerals. While you join 1 and 2 makes 12. 12 is a numeral. So, 12 is a numeral of 2 digits. Now, by using 3 digits, we'll see the numerals. While you join 5, 1, 4 makes 514. 514 is a numeral. So, 514 is a numeral of 3 digits. By using the same method, you can make any numerals out of these 10 digits. Digits makes numerals and numeral stands for an concept or an idea of number.
Now, I hope you liked the video. In this video, we have learned about numerals, numbers and digits. Now moving to the next one. Here's your book page, and question is write in numerals. Here we have numbers and words, and we have to write them in numerals. First one we have 677. 677. We have to write it in numerals. First we will write digit 6 for 600 and then 77. So here we have 3-digit numeral 677. Next one is 899. 899. First we will write 800, digit 8 for 800 and then 99. Next one is 309. 309. First we will write digit 3 for 300 and then 09, read together 9. Next we have 448. 448. First we will write digit 4 for 400 and then we will write 48. So we will get 448 in numeral form. Then we have a number 519. First we will write digit 5 for 500 and then we will write 19. So we will get number 519. Then we have a number 323. 320. First we will write digit 3 for 300 and then we will write 20. So we will get 320. Then we have 222. 222. First we will write digit 2 for 200 and then we will write 22. 222. Then we have a number 965. 965. First we will write digit 9 for 900 and then we will write 65. Then we have a number 187. 187. First we will write digit 1 for 100 and then we will write 87. Then we have a number 707. First we will write digit 7 for 700 and then we will write 07, which is read all together 7. So we will get a numeral 707. Now moving to the next one. Here is another concept: after, between and before. In this topic we will discuss that what is meant by after, what is meant by before, and what is meant by in between. Let's watch a video to better understand about after, between and before.
Number after. Let us learn what comes after a number. This is 1. What comes after 1? After 1 is 2. This is 4. What comes after 4?
I know. After 4 is 5.
This is 18. What comes after 18?
After 18 is 19.
This is 37. What comes after 37?
After 37 is 38.
Number before. Let us learn what comes before a number. This is 4. What comes before 4? 3. This is 27. What comes before 27?
26.
That's right. This is 35. What comes before 35?
Before 35 is 34.
What comes before 82?
The number before 82 is 81.
Number between. We have learnt what comes after and before a number. Shall we now learn what comes between two numbers? The number between 1 and 3 is 2.
Number between 85 and 87 is 86.
The number between 42 and 44 is 43.
Number between 29 and 31 is 30.
Before, after and in between. Here are 3 vegetables: a brinjal, cabbage, and potato. We can see that the brinjal is placed before the cabbage and the potato is placed after the cabbage. Thus, the cabbage is placed between the brinjal and the potato. Let us rearrange the position of the vegetables. Now, the cabbage is placed before the brinjal. The potato is placed after the brinjal, and the brinjal is placed in between the cabbage and the potato.
I hope you liked the video and got some knowledge about after, between and before. Now let's discuss what is meant by after. A number or an object that comes after a number or an object, for example 34, and here we have two numbers 34 and 35. 35 comes after 34. 35 comes after 34. Where 34 is the number after 34. Where 35 is the number after 34. After means बाद में. After means बाद में आने वाला. So यहाँ पे हमारे पास 34 के बाद क्या आता है 35. 35. Now moving to the next one, what is meant by before. A number or an object that comes before a number or an object. For example, 55 and 56. What comes before 56? 55. What comes before 56? 55. Where 55 is the number before 56. 56 से पहले क्या कौन सा नंबर आता है? 55. बिफोर का क्या मतलब है? पहले आने वाला. नंबर से या किसी भी ऑब्जेक्ट से पहले आने वाले को बिफोर कहते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल यहाँ पे 56 से पहले कौन सा नंबर आता है? 55. 55. Now moving to the next one. What is meant by in between? A number or an object that comes in between two numbers or two objects. For example, here we have three numbers, 34, 35 and 36. Where we can see 35 is in between 34 and 36. यहाँ पे हमारे पास तीन नंबर्स हैं, 34, 35 एंड 36. और मिड में हमारे पास मिडल में हमारे पास कौन सा नंबर है? 35. सो हम क्या कहेंगे कि 35 इन बिटवीन है 34 एंड 36 के. Where 35 is the number in between 34 and 36. इन बिटवीन का क्या मतलब होता है और बिटवीन का क्या मतलब होता है? दो के बीच में. दो के बीच में दो ऑब्जेक्ट्स हों या दो नंबर्स हों. फॉर एग्जांपल जैसे हमारी काउंटिंग 0 से स्टार्ट होती है और आगे तक जाती है, बट हम 0 को ले लेते हैं और 2 को ले लेते हैं. 0 और 2 के बीच में कौन सा नंबर आता है? 1. 0 और 2 के बीच में कौन सा नंबर आता है? 1. सो 1 is in between 0 and 2. 1 is in between 0 and 2. Now here is some practice work for you. Solve the following questions. First block is what comes before. First one is done for you. 19 comes before 20. 19 comes before 20. What comes before 32? You have to write. What comes before 57? What comes before 83? What comes before 72? And what comes before 99? And then you have another block. What comes in between? What comes in between? 12 is in between 11 and 13. What comes between 79 and 81? What comes between 79 and 81? Then what comes between 35 and 33? Then what comes between in 94 and 96? Then what comes between 18 and 20? Then what comes between 47 and 49? Then what comes after? What comes after? 18 comes after 17. So what comes after 27? What comes after 33? What comes after 91? What comes after 66? And what comes after 42? These are all questions you have to do it by yourself on your rough notebook. Here's your homework. You have to do question number 6 and 7 on your notebook and textbook as well. Here we have a question. Write the number that comes after, between and before. यहाँ पे हमारे पास numbers हैं. We have to write numbers in between, after, before. Okay. हमारे पास नंबर है 126 and 128. सो 126 और 128 के बीच में कौन सा नंबर आता है? 127. देन हमारे पास नंबर है 309. 309 से पहले कौन सा नंबर आता है? 308. और 309 के बाद कौन सा नंबर आता है? 310. सो बिफोर के कॉलम में हम क्या लिखेंगे? 308. एंड आफ्टर के कॉलम में हम क्या लिखेंगे? 310. देन वी हैव नंबर्स 449 एंड 451. और 449 और 451 के बीच में कौन सा नंबर आता है? 450. Then we have number 799. 799. 799 से पहले कौन सा नंबर आता है? 798. 798. एंड 799 के बाद कौन सा नंबर आता है? 800. 799 के बाद कौन सा नंबर आता है? 800. Then we have number 264. 264 and 266. अब 264 और 266 के बीच में कौन सा नंबर आता है? 265. फिर हमारे पास नंबर है 510. 510. 510 से पहले हमारे पास कौन सा नंबर आता है? 509. 509. और 510 के बाद हमारे पास कौन सा नंबर आता है? 511. 511. फिर हमारे पास नंबर्स हैं 887. एंड फिर हमारे पास नंबर है 889. अब 887 और 889 के बीच में कौन सा नंबर आता है? 888. 888. Solution will be provided on your WhatsApp number, on your WhatsApp group. Do this homework on your books and notebooks and as well. Take care. Allah Hafiz.